What was the first thing you did that kind of went like viral? Do you remember?
I do remember. So the first one I did that went viral was a Get Ready With Me makeup tutorial while I was talking about the common labor violations. And because I like doing two things at once anyway, so I really...
Because you're a woman, you can multitask.
I can multitask like a motherfucker. And so I was doing that and I was really enjoying it. And I was on my way to New Orleans for my birthday and I posted the video. I almost didn't post it, which is important because I feel like that's the one that always goes viral. The one that you leave in your drafts forever and you almost don't post. Don't leave anything in your drafts. Don't leave anything in your drafts. That's my tip for the day. But I posted it and I got sick on the way down to New Orleans. I had a migraine for 10 hours. It was terrible. And when I woke up the next morning, my video had like 30 million views, which is a lot. That was like the most I've ever had. Now I think it has over 40. It's like a crazy video. But here's the thing. You don't want to go viral all the time. Like, people stole my video. They pretended to be me. They were scamming people. They were posting it on other websites, like then making fun of me. I couldn't even defend myself. And they're like, why do you have to wear that much makeup, you know? But that was my first viral video and I almost didn't post it. Isn't that funny?
But that's the ones that like, sometimes after a few drinks, I'll post something and it goes viral. I'm like, oh, wow, maybe somebody would have told me not to do that, but
yeah, you just need that. Yeah, you got to take that away and just throw everything out there into the internet.
But I mean, do you ever feel a little bit, it's got to be hard to like open up so much of what you're doing, your professional career and your personal life, and give people like a peek through. Do you ever feel like this is enough?
I've been struggling with that quite a bit to find that kind of fine line, but I'm just like a chronic oversharer, so I don't think I'll ever not do the personal stuff because I like to. But it's definitely, I'll be like on stories less on Instagram and things like that if I'm getting overwhelmed and not talking about the day-to-day stuff. But I just don't think I'll ever change that. Like, I overshare everything.
Yeah, but you're also like, your day-to-day when you're helping a lot of like real folks with legal problems, do you have a cadence of, I'm doing this to be able to generate essentially income, because you could do it through your social media platform to have cases, and how much you're going to be lawyer hat on? Are you specific like that, or how's it work?
So no, that's a lot of forethought that I don't do for the kind of videos. Usually it'll be like my best videos, I feel like, or like I'll get done with a consult with someone, usually someone I can't help because, like, let's say they resigned or like they signed the severance offer so they can't bring their case now. And so that's the best kind of videos where I'll be like, if this is happening to you, make sure you do this before you sign it if you get fired, or videos like that. And it resonates with a lot of people because that's not a unique experience. But I really don't plan out stuff very well. Unless like the longer form videos I've been doing, which people like, it just takes so much work to do, like the research end of it, that I try to keep it short most of the time.
But for you, like, a lot of people don't understand. I tell lawyers all the time, you can literally create content with your iPhone.
That's what I do.
But you're a perfect example of it.
Yeah.
Like right now, I mean, I have a whole team that helps me do stuff. I mean, look at the production we're doing.
Yeah,
right
it's
now.
great.
It's great. It's fun. It's great. But you could do it with your iPhone. And
I only do content with my iPhone. In fact, I stand in front of a window with good lighting and I do it that way. I just have a phone. I can make content anywhere and I just edit it all in the app, actually in TikTok. And then I screen record it and post it everywhere else. But you don't have to, like, I think more lawyers need to do videos because you don't have, like, yes, the whole setup is great, but you don't have to start there. Nobody starts being perfect and professional with it. Just make a video and talk to people. And I think that's why one of my favorite things when I first started doing it, someone was like, your bestie lawyer. Like someone did an article and I'm like, I love that so much.
Bestie lawyer?
They said they felt like they were FaceTiming with me. And I'm like, that's what I want. You know, that's the kind of connection that I want.
Because, I mean, through your stuff, people can see, like, sometimes you're a little bit more vulnerable, stuff that would happen to you that day. Sometimes it's on a mission to, like, fuck people up, right?
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
there's different types of days. I can see the different Paige days.
You can see my different personality fluctuations
and I've seen some
there.
people, like, somebody just messaged me, and, like, oh, I see Paige follows you. Is she going through a hard time today? I'm like,
someone messaged you that?
Yes! And I was like, I don't know.
Yes. No, I'm kidding. No, I really am blessed to have a lot of good followers, and it's part of like the way we do that I do the videos. You get that parasocial relationship where they do care, or they will defend me in the comments if people are making fun of how I look or something like that. And I'm really lucky to have people that care because they do follow up. And that's funny they messaged you that though.
They messaged me that, and I was like, I don't know.